Okay, so let me show you the examples of the hole punches. Okay, so this is two of the samples I made before the video, and the left one is a 3mm hole in the center and the 1mm hole in each side, and the right one is 4mm holes in the center and the 1mm holes in each sides. And this is the pattern. Okay, what do you like, guys? I like this one better. um, this is my personal taste, but I'm not sure exactly. You could use this look to it on different kinds. It's a 1mm difference between center holes, and it makes a huge difference, isn't it? Yeah, it's and it makes very clean holes and clean cuts. Like I told you guys, it's very clean cuts on both sides. Okay. So I made different patterns. Here is like you could use this as on a wallets or your slippers or anything kind of, it was like classic items. It might add more feminine look to it, or more English style, or it could work as a very classic design, like a wallet or your your clothes, or like just anything, anything you could make this with. You can just think of any design. You could do this with this kind of punch. Also, this one is also the another idea. You could decorate. You can add more of a taste to your leather craft with just punching holes to it. Okay, it's very nice. It's evenly spaced out. This slight curve was done without taking two punches one side. Okay, I'll just doing like this. Okay, but the one in the center like this, you need to remove two small punches and make one part like here and one part here, and then you do the rest of the parts. Okay, you will understand what I mean here. Okay, anyway, this thing too, if you wraps it around the on your shoes or your handbag or just your bracelets, whatever, it becomes very classic item instantly whether using punch with this tool. It's very unique tool. I really like about it. So let me show you how well it punches. This is 1mm gold skin. It's very tough on the surface. It doesn't cut very well. This leather is this is my test piece, but it's very tough. I'm not sure what they did to it. It's a natural leather, but it's very tough gold skin. Let me show you how well this punches. Okay, so you can use a steel hammer for this if you want, but I personally recommend like this kind of a very thick. This is polyurethane hammer. I could use the wooden mallet too, but I just recommend this kind of a hard plastic mallet for this kind of job. Okay, it's not strong to the tip. I mean the handle part and also tip, but it gives you very hard impact on the tool. So okay, anyway, so it punches very nicely. Okay, very clean cut like this. Okay, so okay, very clean cut. So what you do is you punch first part, and then you punch again with the one side like this, and then like this, and then like this. So you get even space holes. It's like doing with the pricking iron. It's exactly the same. Okay, and next piece is this is about 1 mil, 1.2 mil vegetable tan leather. So this is cow leather, and it also punches very easily. Okay. Like that. Okay. Look at this clean cut. Alright. And next is just the same leather, but it was this is between 2.3 to 2.5 mil. It's almost 3 mil thick leather. It's the vegetable tan leather. It's pretty thick, but this punch like makes a hole to this leather like easily. Okay, which is just a single blow. Okay. Clean cuts, both sides. Very nice clean cuts. They make great punches. So even more, this is natural veg tan. Again, about this one is 0.8 mil to 1 mil thick. This goes without saying. It punches very easily. Okay. This. Okay. And then this is same leather, but it's original piece. 2.5 to 3 mil. Like this, and it's very easy cuts, but also look at the finish. Does it leave? It leaves like the hole is very it's clean. It's very clean cuts. It's very nice. The finish is very nice. So even after punching, you don't have to do anything. It's just it's all ready to go. Okay, and this one is just soft type of veg tan leather, so it's not hard stuff like this. This one is pretty like rigid stuff, but this one is very soft type. This one is 3.5 mil also, and this goes very easy. Okay, very easy. And the last piece, this is Chrome XL leather. It's 2.5 to 3 mil. Chrome XL is very tough chrome with a veg tan complex tan. It's very strong leather. And I'm not even with hitting it hard. It's just a simple blow. Okay. Oops, the last piece wasn't good. Look at this. Okay. Chrome XL. Clean cut. Okay. Just a simple blow. Okay. Alright, so let me do the corner, how it's done. So if you're doing the corners, I already drew the guidelines here with the creaser. With the L wrench, you either take out either one side of the tool. Okay, so you don't have to remove the set screws all the way. Just you just remove pull up this set screws on both sides like this. Okay, you should see complete. Okay, oops, come on, focus. Okay, you pull all these set screws on both sides, and then you remove the punch one by one. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, you leave it in the safe place, and then you have now, just let me put this back on just in case I don't lose them. Okay, so you now have 3 hole punches. Okay, this is for the corners or curves, things like that. If you don't do heavy curves, you have to take out 2 punches, but this kind of curve you can do it with the 5 punches. Okay, anyway, so here we go. Okay, this is what should I say, this is 2 to 2.5 mil hard type vegetable thick tan leather. I drew the guidelines like a square, and then what I do is I place the center punch where I want the corners to be, and then I'll just make these 2 punches on each side so that you can spread it out like this. So let me show you. Place the punch like this. Oops. Okay, I made a hole like this, and then what I do is I make a different punch cut like this. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I punch like this. Okay, okay, now the corner is set. Now I need to replace 2 punches back into the holder, and then I can start with straight lines. Okay, you remove back up the set screws a little bit, install these. It's that easy. Okay, and then I do the corner part. You get the idea, right? I'm sure you guys did. Oops. If it doesn't make a really clean cut, do it once more and then you're good to go. Okay. Alright, so do it like this, and then you have the corners, and then the straight lines and everything. Okay, it was very easy, So doing things like this, it's really, just a plain with just a plain, instead of a plain corner. Making the parts of your wallets, like the corners with this kind of pattern like this, just adds the character to it. It's up to you what designs you look for, and what kind of pattern you want to do. But I think this can be really unique if you are making just plain vegetable tan leather goods. By adding this kind of pattern to your leatherwork, it will just pop out instantly how your work is shown to people. This adds very nice character to your leather goods and your leather projects. So anyway, that was it. This was KS Blade Brogue Punch, and I will see you guys in the next video.